Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how you can transfer money from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. So in order to transfer money or asset from Coinbase wallet to bank account, all you need to do is you'll have to exchange it or you'll have to sell your cryptocurrency to your USD balance. So in order to do that procedure, first thing first, you'll have to open up your Coinbase wallet and head over to your home page. So as already mentioned, you'll have to sell your cryptocurrency. So click on the button that says sell. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your coinbase.com, and from here you'll have to sell the cryptocurrency. So tap the sell button and hold out your cryptocurrency to your USD balance. After that, you can cash out the funds and then you can directly transfer from your Coinbase wallet. So for that, you'll have to link either your debit card, bank account, or PayPal account, whichever is convenient for you. After that, you can directly transfer the funds into your bank account or any of these following. So that's how you can cash out from Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.